आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है, टॉपिक का नाम हमारा कौन सा जो मॉड्यूल जिसको बोल सकते हैं उसका नाम क्या है हमारा ग्राइंडिंग ऑपरेशंस एक्सटर्नल एंड इंटरनल। अब बढ़ते हैं हमारे क्वेश्चंस पर। पहला क्वेश्चन हमारा कौन सा है? पहला क्वेश्चन है विच ग्राइंडिंग मशीन इज टू प्रोड्यूस स्टेप्ड सिलेंड्रिकल surface? correct option plain cylindrical grinder. Next question, what is the specification of cylindrical grinder? Correct option maximum diameter of workpiece that can be held. Next question, which grinding machine workpiece is held between centers? Correct option plain cylindrical grinder. Next question, what is the name of grinding operation? Correct option internal cylindrical grinding. Next question, अब देख लेते हैं थोड़ा डायग्राम को ताकि कोई भी कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए। ये हमारा इसका क्लियर वाला डायग्राम था। अब बढ़ते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा है विच ग्राइंडिंग मशीन इज यूज्ड टू फिनिश टेपर होल्स फॉर करेक्ट साइज एंड शेप? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इंटरनल सिलेंड्रिकल ग्राइंडर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ग्राइंडिंग मशीन वर्क पीस is mounted in chuck or between centers? Correct option universal cylindrical grinder. Next question, which grinding machine workpiece is not held in between centers? Correct option centerless grinder. Next question, which grinding machine workpiece is supported on a work rest blade? Correct option centerless grinder. Next question, which grinding machine is used for grinding long plain cylindrical shaft? Correct option centerless grinder. Next question, what is the name of grinding operation? Correct option ग्राइंडिंग टेपर सिलेंड्रिकल. ये इसका क्लियर वाला डायग्राम था। अब बढ़ते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर। विच इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज यूज टू चेक द कॉन्सेंट्रेसिटी ऑफ वर्क पीस बिफोर प्रिसाइजन ग्राइंडिंग? करेक्ट ऑप्शन डायल टेस्ट इंडिकेटर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what is the instrument used for table aligning at 0 degree in cylindrical grinding? Correct option dial test indicator. Next question, what is the tool used for aligning table at 0 degree in cylindrical grinder? Correct option test bar Allen keys. Next question, what is the use for dressing grinding wheel in cylindrical grinding? Correct option single point diamond dresser. Next question, what is the tool used for deburring the workpiece in cylindrical grinder? Correct option fine abrasive oil stone. Next question, what is the material used for cleaning plain cylindrical grinder? Correct option banyan cloth with SAE40 oil. Next question, what is the name of work holding device used in grinding operation? Correct option face plate. तो ये हमारा इस क्वेश्चन का क्लियर वाला डायग्राम था, कोई भी कंफ्यूजन वाली बात नहीं है। बढ़ते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा है वेयर द सेंटरलेस ग्राइंडिंग ग्राइंडर इज यूज्ड? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इन मास प्रोडक्शन फॉर सिमिलर ऑब्जेक्ट्स. What is the use of internal cylindrical grinder? Correct option to grind plain bore. Next question, which is to be checked for running true in grinding machine before starting a cylindrical grinder? Correct option workpiece. Next question, what is the safety to be observed before starting the cylindrical grinder? Correct option grinding wheel to be inspected. Next question, what is the precaution to be observed before starting the cylindrical grinder? Correct option check holding devices sufficiently tightened. Next question, what is to be observed in workpiece before internal grinding? Correct option check the internal diameter of workpiece to grind. Next question, what is to be done after setting the workpiece in 4-jaw check? Correct option check the workpiece run through. Next question, what is the precaution to observe while internal grinding? Correct option don't wipe the whole of work head is in motion. Next question, what is the cause for out of roundness in work while grinding operation? Correct option improper supporting the work. Next question, how error is caused in precision grinding operation? Correct option inaccurate mounting of workpiece. Next question, what is the type of surface finished by external cylindrical grinder? Correct option round. Next question,